Greetings, River Lady here, and it's time for the season 3, what's it, not a finale, premiere of Hydrangea 911. And I apologize, I'm near a wind chime and it's gotten very breezy here on the Concord River. Before I go ahead and start with this episode, I want to show you my geese. A pair of geese that has just been hanging around my river, and they hang with the ducks. They're cool. Okay, back to Hydrangea 911. So let's uncover this baby and see what we have. All this salt marsh hay, I'll just put it out in the wooded area near my house. The birds love it. They use it for nesting material. Look at that. I see green. I see green. I see green. My little hydrangea that was once thought dead has come alive and just might give me blossoms this year. Let's come in tight. Look at all that growth coming up from the new wood. And I do have, you can see the green right there on the stem. And I have green on the other side on the old wood and the new wood. So this little guy is definitely not a Nico Blue because Nico only blooms on old wood. Okay, so that's it for Hydrangea 911. I don't have anything else for you. In a couple of weeks, I will give him some compost. I will feed him. I will prune him down to his swollen buds. And fingers crossed that I get blossoms this season. All right, that's it. Hydrangea 911, season 3, not finale. Why do I keep drawing a blank? Premiere. Is it a premiere? Season premiere? All right, never mind. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening. Bye.